In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TD graph chart in Notion. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to visually represent timelines or tasks within Notion, you're in the right place. Notion's versatility allows us to incorporate tools like Mermaid to create these dynamic visual aids, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, start by opening the page within Notion where you want your graph chart to reside. This will become the workspace for integrating your chart. Now, to begin the process of inserting a Mermaid chart, you'll want to type in a command that Notion recognizes. Simply type in a / followed by Mermaid. As soon as you type Mermaid, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for an option labeled Code Mermaid and go ahead and click on it. This will set up the environment for us to begin crafting our graph chart. Once you've set up the Mermaid code block, we'll start writing the text that will shape our graph. Begin by typing Gantt. This specifies that the type of chart we're creating is a Gantt chart, which is perfect for showing tasks over time. Next, press Enter to drop down to a new line and type in Title My Project. This line sets the title of your Gantt chart to My Project. Of course, you can customize this title to suit your needs. The next piece of code you'll type will determine how your dates are formatted in the chart. You'll write date format YYYMMDD. This format is standard for year, month, and day, ensuring clarity and international consistency. Complete this entry by pressing Enter. Let's now dive into the task section of your Gantt chart. First, type Section Tasks on a new line. This tells the Gantt chart that you're going to define certain tasks and their respective timelines. Below this, you'll begin to list your tasks one by one. For Task A, you will input the text Task A 2026-06-01 3D. What this means is Task A will begin on June 1st, 2026 and is set to last 3 days. Following this, to input another task, press Enter, then type Task B 2026-06-04 5D. Task B is scheduled to start right after Task A, beginning on June 4th, 2026 and will continue for 5 days. Each task you list will help build out your timeline, allowing you to have a clear visual of the entire project workflow. Once all your tasks are correctly input, you should see Notion beautifully render these details into a cohesive chart aligned with the timeline you've created. And there you have it. You've successfully created a TD graph chart in Notion using the Mermaid language. Don't forget that you can always go back and edit these tasks or durations as your project evolves. This flexibility is one of Notion's greatest strengths. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for enhancing your productivity in Notion.